worked with Salman and Akshay. Out of the two, if you had to pick up an style icon, who do you think is a better, has got a better sense?
Tricky question.
Tricky, but I think I'd have to say Salman, because right from the masses to the classes to everybody, I think they all follow him. Anything he does, like say for instance the sunglasses in the back or his bracelet, they become a style statement for a lot of youngsters who try to emulate him.
Imitate Salman's style from.
Yeah, I think it was Sridevi.
Hi, Kunal from Zoom. It has been said that Salman Khan will be doing a Fear Factor kind of show on television. Would you like to participate in Salman's Khatron Ke Khiladi?
Not that I've heard of, but for now let me participate in Provoke's live band. Yeah.
Okay, so what functions and you dance really well, so why are you scared?
I'm not scared of doing item numbers. The songs are really good that have been coming out, and for me, for stage shows, I was wearing what I was comfortable in, dancing. The moves that I was doing were what I was comfortable in. So yeah, I think it all depends on my comfort level. It's not like I'm scared of anything. Dabam.
आजकल जीरो साइज का बड़ा कुमार छाया हुआ है, इस हिसाब से आपकी फिगर को माशाल्लाह देखकर कहीं ना कहीं आपने भी कुछ मेहनत कर रही है।
मैंने जी बहुत मेहनत की है, बट साइज 0 होने की, बस फिट रहने की।
नहीं तो आप किसको सोचती हैं कि करीना है या किसकी आप दीवानी है, जिसको आप कह सकते हैं कि हाँ भाई जीरो साइज इनका सबसे अच्छा है?
जीरो साइज किसका
अच्छा है ये कह सकते हैं, आप बताइए।
साइज जीरो ही होता है।
नहीं तो आप बताइए, आपसे मेरे को हम लोग पूछ।
आई थिंक करीना, उन्होंने जो एक ट्रेंड शुरू कर दी थी साइज 0 की, तो आई थिंक शी इज द मेन पर्सन। Thank you for asking that. I think because I have studied fashion for so long, and no education goes to waste. So when Salil and they came to me, Provoke came to me, I said, why not let me design for you? And if people sort of connect to that, if they think that the person endorsing the brand is actually doing much more than posing, it makes a difference. So hopefully I can give my inputs on their collections, whatever design inputs that come from them, I can give my inputs on that also as well. Like I said earlier, I'm comfortable in both worlds, Indian and Western. And my Indian look is what I've been accepted for, so I like wearing saris, I like wearing anarkalis. But Western is what I've been wearing my whole life, and I love my casual jeans and t-shirt.
And I want.
वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है, कहीं डर नहीं लगता कि इसके बाद क्या?
लगता अगर इसके बाद कुछ करने को होता नहीं, but I think I've been very blessed with the work that I'm getting in terms of films, in terms of endorsements. So I like to live in the present. मैं अभी का सोच रही हूँ, जो अब काम मेरे आगे है मैं वही करना चाहती हूँ और अच्छे से करना चाहती हूँ।